In this video, we're discussing an issue that we're having with the brake pedal on the Fanatec pedal set. The throttle and clutch are both working perfectly, but the brake pedal is either not detected or detected in a full down or depressed state. Go ahead and show you this right now. If we launch the calibration, it's going to ask us to fully depress the throttle. So we're fully depressing the throttle, and you can see that it's detecting the throttle response here perfectly. Next step, it's going to ask us to detect the brake. We're going to fully depress the brake, and there's no response. Nothing is being detected whatsoever. Now it's going to ask us to detect the clutch. As you can see, the clutch is being detected perfectly. Got the full clutch being detected here. The response is being detected. The wizard is done. Here you can see that it is detecting my movement on the throttle. It's not detecting any movement whatsoever on the brake. And it is detecting movement on the clutch. The way that it's configured is the pedal set goes from the main control board into the back pedal connector on the Fanatec steering wheel assembly, which is connected via USB to the PC.